Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 308SW in the GT line specification. It's got a 2-litre Blue HDI engine with an automatic gearbox. You get this lovely panoramic glass roof. There's also 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with 180-degree reversing camera. Inside of the car you've got connected navigation, DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And on top of this you get air conditioning and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car is one of the dealership's former demonstrators, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.